Sunday mornings are a great excuse to go out and get a nice brunch. And we have a lot of options in our local community, but Great Dane, which is a big favorite, is actually rolling out a whole new menu, both for food and for cocktails. And I have here with me Ted. Ted, you said that this is actually starting today, correct?
This morning at 9 o'clock. Yes.
Very exciting.
Yes, it's our rollout at our Great Dane Hilldale location. We've always had a brunch buffet at the Hilldale location as well as the Fitchburg location, but customer demand really wanted some really good, fresh a la carte menu items, and our chef Matt Pace has been working for 6 months on his favorite menu of the day, which is brunch.
Okay.
And so he's really bringing in local, fresh items to create a wonderful, unique brunch experience. And coupled with that, we also kind of wanted to change the way people think about drinking.
Right.
As opposed
brunch
to, yeah,
time.
I mean, yeah,
it's like what we were saying, mimosas and Bloody Marys, but
right.
there are so many other different options out there.
Really good options, yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, so first of all, our brunch menu, you know, we actually did a food rollout tasting for the entire staff yesterday morning. They're so excited about it. The chilaquiles, the smoked pork, pico de gallo, cilantro, everybody's favorite amongst the other 30 items that we have on our brunch menu. I think that the Madison community is gonna really enjoy them.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get over there and try it out.
Yes.
The menu looks amazing. And then you brought us some cocktails to try out. What are things that people can have during brunch that, you know, kind of veers from the norm?
Well, we're still gonna have like a Badger Bloody Mary, which is just like a hyped up Bloody Mary,
okay.
and as well as like a raspberry mimosa. But what I brought here today are two of our margaritas. We have peach habanero. The peach habanero marmalade is made in-house, along with our also homemade strawberry jam. Actually, I'll start building one if you don't mind.
Yes, go for it.
Yeah, everybody's been asking me to start serving them cocktails, which I thought was kind of strange at Channel. No, they didn't.
Yeah,
Nobody's
exactly.
asking.
That's why we brought you in
Right,
here,
that's
Ted.
right. I also, while I'm doing this, I want to comment about, it's my wife's birthday today. She is with my son in Kenosha, so I can be here. I appreciate that, Julia.
Wonderful.
Yes.
Well, thank you for being here. Yeah. And yeah, you can go, she can have some celebratory margaritas.
Cocktails, right, later when she gets home tonight.
Yes. And so these are new. I know there's a lot of different great drinking options at the Great Dane, but these are specifically new as part of the brunch?
This starts this morning as well, yeah.
Great.
Oh, excuse me 1 second.
Yep.
So this is the habanero peach marmalade. Really, if you've never tried marmalade in a margarita, I would highly recommend it. It's actually surprisingly tasty and refreshing.
Yeah, I was gonna say it kind of probably gives it a different texture, different flavor profile.
It really does. Excuse me, sorry.
Yeah, we can shake it up really quick. We're running out of time. No, but if anybody wants to try any of this out, remind us of the locations that are getting this new menu again.
This is actually just at the Hilldale location.
Okay.
Next to Hilldale Mall.
Great.
Yes.
Great spot.
Thank you so much for giving me the time. I appreciate it.
Thank you, and happy birthday to your wife.